Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today I'm creating a vlog watering my vegetables. Yesterday's vlog you saw something crazy happened. The water pump got damaged. So this is how I do it. This is how I water my kitchen garden. The pressure is high. The pressure is high, super high. So this is how we do it. You may be wondering, how do I go about it? This is how I do it. If you support me, I'll buy a sprinkler. I'm looking forward to get a sprinkler to make my work easier. Because doing this takes a lot of time, guys. I have a lot of water. Water is plenty over here. Yes, water is plenty. I told you I have a borehole. That is the borehole over there. Yeah, keep on subscribing to my YouTube channel. I want to monetize this channel so that YouTube can start paying me. Once YouTube starts paying me, I'll be the happiest human being in this world. So this is how I do it. This is how I do it. Simple DIY home remedy. It's simple. It's simple though time consuming. That's why I want to invest on a more sophisticated thing like these are spinach. You know, spinach need a lot of water because they do quite well when the water is enough or plenty. Yeah, this is my kitchen garden. There is nothing sweet like growing your own food, guys. If there is something I really enjoy, it's growing my own food. This is my own organic veggies. Guys, very easy, very easy. I hope you can see. Now I'm done with the spinaches. I want to do the same on the sukuma wiki. Sukuma wiki in Kenya is kales. So most of you don't know what I'm referring to. I'm referring to kales. Kales or sukuma wiki. My director is doing good. You can see he's recording as we yes guys, it's very simple to start your own kitchen garden. I'll give you tips on how I started it. It's organic, no fertilizers. You can see the sun is extremely hot. It's very hot. That's why they look as if they you see the way they are looking because of the sun. It's very hot. Very hot. The temperature is high. That's why they look as if they are wither. Is it wither? Wither. withering. Pumpkins, 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 pumpkins. Guys, if you support me, I will buy a sprinkler. So it will automate my work and I won't be watering in this manual way. It's time consuming. Yeah. I think it's enough with the spinaches. I can do the same to tomatoes. I have some tomatoes over here. Yeah, these are the tomatoes. Tomatoes. Tomatoes, tomatoes. Some more pumpkins over here. This is a weed, I will remove it sometimes. These are my tomatoes. Guys, it's super sweet to grow your own food. I hope these tomatoes will start bearing fruits in a month's time. I planted them just the other day, and from the look of things, they are doing quite amazing. I know you are wondering why they look this small, but it's because I planted them just the other day. That's why they may appear small to you. Mhm. Yes. The tomatoes look amazing. I never expected they would be looking this good, since I have never planted them before. It was the first time, but they look amazing. They look amazing. I'm just happy for how they look. Wow, guys, till next time. So, guys, as I finalize this step, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and share. Till next time.